Welcome to this exceptional Northwest Craftsman home, nestled in the hills of West Linn's Teresa's Vineyard, home to the 2012 Street of Dreams. It's a fabulous location close to parks, trails, shops, restaurants, and top-rated schools. This quality-built home with hints of timeless flair speaks to many lifestyles and is thoughtfully designed for entertaining indoors or out. From the sun-drenched rooms and vaulted ceilings to a reclaimed wood beam adding warmth and character to the open space, no detail is overlooked. The heart of the home chef's kitchen features an oversized, leathered slab granite island, dual ovens, stainless appliances, a 5-burner gas cooktop, and an abundance of storage space. And you can find your favorite vintage in the 166-bottle dual-zone wine fridge. Unwind and relax in the generous master suite. It's complete with a luxurious master bath and a walk-in closet. Double doors open to an office or den. On the upper level, you'll find 3 more large bedrooms plus a full bath. French doors open to a flexible space, a lower-level bonus room with a half bath. Seamlessly move your gatherings outdoors on the expansive bluestone patios. Gather by the fire pit or enjoy the garden space while surrounded by a gorgeous landscape. Other features include central air, a gas furnace, and an extra deep 2-car garage. A stunning home in a highly sought-after West Linn neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Roberta and Stephen Nopson at 503-939-8025.